Hi, this is Tracy with Knots and Yarn. I'm doing this tutorial to try and sublimate a garden flag in 2 sections. I've been printing them out separately because of the small format printer, but as you can see from this one, the top word bassets is faded. It didn't get enough heat, and same with a little bit on the bottom. Tolerated is a little faded out too. So I'm going to try to press the top, then press this bottom part and see if that works any better and I get a cleaner, full sublimated design. So I'm finishing printing out the words, and I'll be back with you in 1 second. Okie dokie. If you hear anything in the background, it's the laundry. Basement's my craft room and the laundry room, so bear with me here. Okay. I'm gonna mock the whole thing up so I make sure I get it, you know, lined up how I like it. A little bit over this way. Isn't this basset cute? Oh my gosh. I have a basset. I wish I could have 100 more. Honestly, they're my favorite dogs. Oh, also a German Shepherd lover. Because they're just crazy smart and make you realize that they're smarter than you most of the time. I always have a little miniature dachshund, and she's just insane. 2 speeds, sleeping or running around like a crazy person is what she is. Okay. So, alright, we have the bassets part there. I'll tape it down real quick just to make sure. Again, this is the heat tape from Cricut. I like it. I don't seem to see any marks or anything being left behind from it. Peels right off real quick. Alright, printer's up to temp. I'll slide this out a little more so we're not, you know, completely ironing it repeatedly. We don't just put it in the center there. Was going to then push it up, but then the more I think about it, it would probably be better if I flipped it around and left the part I ironed already, the Basset's Welcome part, hanging out the bottom. And but we'll see how it fits. I have it for 380 for 55 seconds. I believe it's 55, could be 50, I'll double check. And again, this is the 100% polyester fabric. I got it at Walmart. I think it's like $6.99 a yard maybe. I think I got 2 yards. I think it was like 14 bucks. So it sews up real nice. I make the flags myself. Yeah, 55 seconds. Okay. Where's my... It's here. Yes, that looks a lot better. Fully. No color fading. See? Ooh, that's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Ooh, ooh. See? Okay. Now, let this cool down a minute before I put the other one on so we don't have any ghosting. Maybe I'll move you guys. Hold on. We'll position it somewhere else. I'm just taping it down here. And the more I think about it, the more I think I'm going to, if this works, like this method, because that way I can space things out a little bit more than I was able to before, because it's a 15 by 15 press. And cover more of the actual, you know, signage. So there's my basset guy, and with how big I try to make them as big as possible, and so sometimes they want to overlap, so this will help with that also. Okay, here's my basset dude. closer so it's lined up kind of like the same at the top. There's no pattern there. All right. So please tell me I'm not the only one that likes animals better than humans, especially nowadays, huh? The world's going crazy. After spending so much time with my dogs over this last year, definitely. Okie dokie. Gotta flip this around and see how it goes. Yes. Okay, here we go. I'm a little apprehensive about the welcome bleeding. So I folded a piece of parchment in half. Hopefully that'll maybe protect it a little bit more if I don't burn my fingers off. Oh, good thing I gotta press down, huh? Let me get some tape, something. I don't like burns. I've had too many. So let's just tape a little. I don't want it to blur or smear. That's my biggest concern here, if it's going to reactivate the ink. I don't know if it'll do that or not. There's my insane dogs now. I don't know why. If you heard them, take a bark at everything. Okay. Here we go. Don't burn me. Alright. Hope this works, because that'll open up more possibilities, I think, for filling up the entire sign. If you guys have any suggestions or anything that you want to see me try, hit me up in the comment section. I'm just learning as I go, you know, just got my sublimation printer and my heat press and just trying to figure it out and see how I can turn it around and make it profitable. And I know, pretty sure that's what most of us are doing, huh? Especially in this day and age. So let me know if there's anything you want to see. Alright, a couple more seconds. Okay, biggest concern, it does not look like it smeared the other ink at all. So thankfully that looks awesome. Ooh, my doggy looks good. Ooh, and the other words look good. Fantastic. I'm so excited. Look at that, guys. How about that? Here, I'll lay them side by side so y'all can see. Let me turn this heat press off because it draws a lot of heat. Let's see here. Hold on, I'll take my phone off and lay them side by side. You can see the difference. Okay, here they are. This one here is the one I just did. You can see it's even taken up more of the sign than this one. It's kind of hard to see in this light. That one is definitely the faded one. And that one turned out awesome. Okay, well, looks like it's something we can do. So, do it in pieces if we got to, right? Alright, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment, and let me know if you liked this video, what else you'd like to see. Thanks. Have a good day.